Now we'll be learning about trigonometric limit. Trigonometric limit. So first we'll focus on the formula. Limit x approaches to 0, sin x divided by x is equivalent to 1. For example, limit x approaches to 0, sin 4x divided by x. Now, as already given in the formula that x, x and x, thus these three values must be equivalent in nature. So we'll multiply the denominator by 4, therefore we'll multiply all numerator as well as by 4. Therefore, this 4x and 4x, they coincide with each other, and we'll multiply 4 this side, so 0 into 4 is again 0. So this turned out to be our limit, that's value is 1. So answer is 1 into 4, that is equivalent to 4. For example, limit x approaches to 0, sin ax by sin bx. Now in order to explain this, we'll divide both numerator and denominator by x first. So sin ax by x and sin bx by again x. Limit x approaches to 0. In order to make them same, it is like this manner. Now we'll separate the limit ax tending to 0, limit bx tending to 0. So this turned out to be 1 and this also turned out to be 1, giving a result as a by b. Next is, with the standard result same, equals to 1. Now moving on to complex one, limit x approaches to 0, 1 minus cos x by x square. As already discussed in trigonometry, that 1 minus cos x is equivalent to 2 sin square x by 2. So using their results, sin square x by 2 divided by x square, limit x approaches to 0. 2 can be treated as common, forming limit x approaches to 0, sin square x by 2. So here we will be dividing by 4, so multiplying by 4 as well. There is x by 2 whole square into 4. That is 2 by 4 can be taken as common, forming 2 limit x by 2 tending to 0, sin x by 2 divided by x by 2 whole square. And this limit is only 1, that is 1 by 2 into 1, that is equivalent to 1 by 2. So this is how to solve a limit by using sign formulae. Then if I look of exponential functions, that is limit x approaches to 0, e to the power x minus 1 divided by x equivalent to 1. For example, limit x approaches to 0, e to the power 2x minus 1 divided by x, we need to calculate. So this and this must be equivalent as compared to the standard result. So we will multiply the denominator by 2, so same numerator by 2, and this can be multiplied as this beginning to be 0. So limit 2x tending to 0, 2 can be treated as common, forming e to the power 2x minus 1 divided by 2x, and this is equivalent to 1. So 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Next, for example, limit x approaches to 0, e to the power 3x minus e to the power 5x divided by x. Now if I subtract and add 1 above in order to make this formula, that is e to the power 3x minus 1 minus e to the power 5x minus 1. On solving these 1, minus 1 and plus 1, they got cancelled. So the result remained unchanged. Limit x approaches to 0. Now we'll separate the limits. Now limit x approaches to 0, e to the power 3x minus 1 divided by x minus limit x approaches to 0, e to the power 5x minus 1 divided by x. So on solving this, we get 3 into 1 minus 5 into 1, that is equals to minus 2. So in this way, we can evaluate limit using the exponential functions. Now we shall continue with the rest of the methods in the next clipping.